Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, what I want to just show you is how you can lock references to a row in your formula. So, for example, here I have a list of uh, sales, random numbers, and I've got a number of VAT rates going across here. And essentially what I want to show for each of these here is basically what's the value of VAT, assuming what is the VAT, for example, on this figure, if it's at this one, this rate, or this rate, or this rate, or this rate. All right. Now, if I just use a standard formula, I can just go here equals this multiplied by this, and then as I drag it across and drag it down, just double click to drag it down. Yeah, well, that went very well, didn't it? All right. So you can see there, it's none of these have actually worked. So I kind of know straight away my figures are wrong. And a little tip here is that, for example, if I double click on an answer, you can see there it just multiplies it it shows me the two cells that reference it. So I'm just going to highlight this and then press the delete key. So what I want to do is basically set this up so that it's always locked to row 6, which is over here. Okay, so I do that by going equals this. Now for this one, I also need to lock my column reference. And you see I've referenced that in another blog, so I use my F4 or function in F4 until it reads $F8, and then I go multiplied by, and then I click here, and then what I do then is I press F4 or Fn in F4 until it reads $6. So just note the position of the dollar sign because that makes a big difference. All right, 0, and then when I drag it across, just have a quick check. That looks a lot more like it. And then I just double click to copy it down. So just to bear that in mind, and again, learning how to use this gives you a lot of flexibilities with your formulas. All right. So I hope you find it useful. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.